Today is 19th of April 2018. Market opened with a gap and trade upwards largely throughout the day. Towards the last 1.5 hours, it actually retraced off its high, eventually up 37 points to close at 3595. Now, yesterday itself we experienced gaps, and today we follow through with another gap. This is extremely strong. These are called runaway gaps, and approaching this resistance right now, which is the high in January, that is 3611, and support will be at this gap itself. Now, gap always provides support and resistance, so here is at 3560. Now, this coincides with our earlier support, which is at about 3550. So again, resistance is something we like to watch. Is quite near there, and usually market do not just bash through a resistance on first attempt. It may pull back from here, so we like to actually watch out. Volume have picked up slightly. Now let's turn our attentions to a very obvious strong stocks. This is UOB. Now anyway, three of the banks actually run extremely well. Again, you notice a series of gaps. These are runaway gaps. Yesterday volume was extremely high, and today we have a follow through. You notice they actually break the recent high, so it's generally positive. Now the thing is that actually a strong move like this are also prone to sharp correction. So if you have this stock, you got to actually watch for any signs of corrections. Now again, the gaps provide some kind of support. Now we see similar patterns in DPS. Again, very strong move, and today managed to break the high that was formed in February. Volume has also picked up. Again, gap itself is something we like to watch. OCBC. Again, quite similar. It actually make a new high. Prior to that, we actually see these anchor channels, and you actually break out. In fact, for OCBC, you have three gaps, three runaway gaps. So that shows the extremely strong move. Again, extremely strong moves generally cannot sustain very long, so we got to be careful and watch it closely in case of any reversal, and it's likely to actually pull back. So again, if you have these stocks, you just have to actually take partial profits along the way and watch the market closely. Now we have sets that actually broke out yesterday after a period of consolidation. This is a very nice consolidations. And of course, you notice that 1326 was rising, and today we have follow through. If you have missed the trade, look for pullback, and we look for new setup. Comfort Delcro. Notice a very nice saucer pattern here, and there was this break on the 13th of April followed by 3-bar pullback, and today managed to actually break up. If you take a close look here, at this level itself at about 219, this level itself was tested quite a few times, so that's significant, and today managed to take out quite decisively and close extremely well. Again, if you have missed the trade, look for pullback, and we look for setup. It's important we don't chase stocks. This is Chip Instincts. Stock actually has a pullback from here, and here is again slight pullback. Today break up but didn't close well, so again we can look for pullback and look for setup. This is Genting. Very nice trust bar here, followed by a brief pullback, 3-bar pullback. Notice the inside they are all hanging at the top. It break out, makes successive high, not as impressive, but important the 1326 actually turn up. Right now we have a small deeper setup. We would like to see a break above 121. Notice the stock has severe sell down, so this is a reversal right now. China Sunsing we have discussed on many occasions. After this correction itself, managed to stage a rally, and just before that it actually pulled back. I'd like to see the stock break above this high here of 149. Just be mindful, we have a bit of resistance here at about 151. Notice the pullback volume has actually lowered, so that's generally positive development. Now, property stock generally did not perform well, but we noticed actually UOL actually broke out today. Alright, here we have a consolidation that actually broke up, didn't close well. We'd like to actually observe, look for pullback and see how it actually turn out. And if the pullback is shallow, we can actually look for setups to go long. Oil has actually rallied, so it's something we like to actually look at some of the oil related stocks. This is Keppel Corp. Have you noticed actually it gave up today and approaching this resistance of about 814, so we like to actually watch and look for pullback and look for it to actually break on the upside. Now remember, it's because oil has rallied, so it actually does affect some of the oil related stocks in Singapore, but Keppel Corp appears to be the one that actually performed better. This is the same called Marine. If you notice, less impressive. Again, we just have to see how it actually turn out. If oil continue to rally, it may well break this resistance here of 230. We discussed Chris Energy previously, so I'd like to just follow up. If you notice, actually after strong move, we have a pullback again today. Didn't close that well. This is a series of inside day. Look for a break above this high here of 111. Again, we have some overhead resistance over here. If you take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Index, this is a daily chart, Dow Jones Industrial Index. After a severe sell down, you have been trading sideways, and in fact, we have some upward move. Yesterday, it traded a small bar. We're looking for actually further upward move. That will be positive for the market. Now, if you take a look at the oil market itself, this is the Brent oil futures, the June futures contracts currently traded at $74. So this is something extremely strong. Now, we have previously discussed on several occasions to look for a break in the Brent crude oil. Alright, at this level here of 71.828, and managed to take out and followed by a pullback. And after a pullback, it actually managed to actually break on the upside. And of course, right now it's currently trading $74. So again, we just like to observe is if there's strong rally, we may want to see some of the oil related stocks in Singapore to move, and we can capitalize on that. Alright, so again, meanwhile, it's important to look at some of these stocks we've discussed. Bank itself extremely strong, but again, strong move not to actually prone to sharp correction, so we've got to be mindful of that. And of course, some of the stocks that actually break out of consolidations, for example, SETS and Comfort Delgro. These are the stocks we can pay some close attention.